Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction in Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Bitconnect Satish Khambani charged by US in $2.4 billion Ponzi scam. Bitconnect founder Satish Khambani was indicted by a US grand jury on charges he orchestrated a global Ponzi scheme that raised $2.4 billion from investors in a fraudulent cryptocurrency investment platform, according to a Justice Department statement. Khambani, 36, was charged in San Diego with misleading investors about Bitconnect's purported proprietary technology, which falsely promised returns based on phony volatility software that tracked cryptocurrency exchange markets. Pros could. Khambani, of Himal, India, couldn't immediately be located for comment. This is charged with wire fraud, operating an unlicensed money transmitting business, and 3 conspiracies to commit wire fraud, commodity price manipulation, and international money laundering. The commodities price manipulation conspiracy is believed to be the first time any cryptocurrency has been alleged to function as a commodity, according to a statement by prosecutors in the Southern District of California. If convicted of all counts, Khambani could get 70 years in prison, but would likely get far less time. In November, prosecutors said they would sell about $57 million in cryptocurrency seized from Arcro. This month, a judge approved an amended order for the sale. The next news, Ukraine government wants broad crypto crackdown on Russians. Vice Prime Minister Mikhail Fedorov said on Twitter that he was asking all major crypto exchanges to block addresses of Russian users. He had earlier solicited information about digital wallets associated with Russian and Belarusian politicians, saying that the Ukrainian crypto community was ready to offer a generous reward to anyone who provided tips. The government has already used Twitter to draw on millions of dollars worth of crypto donations and posted in online hacker forums that it is looking for help in protecting against cyberattacks. While it was initially unclear how the biggest exchanges would respond to Fedorov's latest call, the CEOs of several of them have publicly shared their support for Ukraine since the Russian invasion. On Sunday, a verified Twitter handle associated with Binance posted that the exchange was donating $10 million to help the humanitarian crisis in Ukraine, and an affiliate, the Binance Charity Foundation, launched a fund to provide emergency relief through crypto crowdfunding. In response to Fedorov's tweet, a Binance spokesperson told Bloomberg by email that the exchange would not unilaterally freeze millions of innocent users' accounts, as this would fly in the face of the reason why crypto exists. However, we are taking the steps necessary. He's been hinting and talking about the possibility of accepting Bitcoin in crypto payments for years. Remains to be seen if March 10 will finally be the month when the rumor becomes reality. The NFT sector has been heavily affected by a recent phishing scam that allowed bad actors to steal assets from OpenSea. The most important NFT marketplace in the industry, its transaction volume has been on a decline since February 20, when the vulnerability was revealed. So next news. Decarbon, a critical first step to realizing global decarbonization efforts. Applications of blockchain technology are almost limitless. In any scenario where multiple parties need to share data, blockchain can enhance trust and drastically increase efficiency. One of the most relevant areas of application is within carbon emission data management, an area rife with opacity and one that requires international cooperation on a scale never before seen. Vechain built the Carbon, a blockchain-based carbon emission data management SaaS platform on the Vechain public blockchain. To tackle this, be used to speculate on assets, but also our Wall Street tool to squeeze returns out of an asset's volatility. For instance, strategies like long strangle allow a trader to take advantage of a potential surge in the volatility of an asset. ZX² is plotting a way to deliver outsized returns in the market while dampening the volatility of Bitcoin. In sum, the pitch to investors is that it can reduce the volatility of the underlying market to 30% to 40%. Compared to Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain Price Prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain Price Prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet Price Prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet Price Forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price 29 cents level. Vet Price Prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain N 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain Price Prediction 2028. It appears that by 2028, Vechain Vet prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be 60 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Vechain's maximum price could be up to 72 cents in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.